I mean, you know, there are lots of old businessmen, traditional and wise businessmen, who give us examples of previous trends where a kind of or nature of companies came to the fore, created a lot of excitement when something new was going on, as it is happening with the digital ecosystem today. But at the end of 10 years, not 18 months, maybe just 1 or 2 out of 10 were left standing, the rest had disappeared. Do you agree with that assessment, that all the excitement that we're seeing in the digital unicorn ecosystem
I
today in
totally
India, that many of them will probably not see the light of the next 10 years?
see. I do not want to be that harsh in my assessment, but yes, there's a lot of unnecessary euphoria. I have zero doubt there. I'm myself somebody who is as much a pessimist as an optimist. And I do see a lot of people having unnecessary euphoria. In fact, I would even go to the extent of saying some people may be investing because investing is profitable, because they make money every time they invest. So I think there's a lot going on in the world. There is a lot of capital, and I think there will be interesting situations. But then who are we to say? Sometimes these lack of interesting situations carry on for so long that they make the interesting outcome, which rational people believe are going to be there, sometimes impossible. With the today I'll give you an example, right? I'll give you an example. A colleague of ours, mid-level colleague of ours, uh, I wouldn't say is ultra bright or anything, not a very high rated person in the company, left and started something in in crypto. The guy is worth a few $100 million, is driving around in a $1 million car, has taken cash out of the system. Now, another colleague of mine invested $10,000 last month. He's worth half a million dollars, right? So obviously, when those things happen, even I ask him, yeah, take $10,000 from me also and invest it, right? So because I can afford to lose $10,000, but if it becomes half a million dollars, what's the harm? All I'm trying to say is these situations, which are unreal, in many ways, happen. But if masses join in, they can continue for a long time. And so I think
You use the word
we have to stay open.
unreal, Yashish. Are you a skeptic then of this whole cryptocurrency boom?
I'm a skeptic of anything, because when I ask those people that what exactly are you doing, what is this plan, they say there's no need to have a plan. You start a currency and it just goes up, 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 and in 6 months, 1 year, you are out of it, and then everybody else is owning those things and they're trading in it. And you start with 1 pence and it becomes $10 and $15, and that is enough. You don't need. The word that scared me was you don't need to have a plan. You just put a white paper out with a plan. All I'm trying to say is, Udyan, there's a lot going on in the world today. But sometimes even people like me are saying, okay, let us put $10,000 and make a profit out of it. What's the harm?
I know, Yashish, that prudent that you are, you won't get sucked into that. But I also wondered, you're an Ironman enthusiast. Ironman is a triathlon. You do cycling, you do running, you do swimming. You've got 2 horses. You've got insurance, you've got credit. Ever thought of adding a third leg, keeping with your Ironman enthusiasm, maybe something on investments to complete the trial?
We have thought about investment. We are not yet sure how to. The day we feel confident, we will. We have been looking at options, but there is a third, which is Doc Prime, which is there. It is just hiding under the wings. We do believe a lot in health tech, health data, and we are waiting for the right opportunity there. We are being cautious. We are looking at the data rails being developed by the government and looking to see how those can be leveraged to really, bring a data play in the health tech system. So yes, there is a third out there, clearly. And investment is something we're not saying no to. At this point, we are not certain what our play in it is. See, whenever we do something, Udyan, we have to be very certain that we have a genuine play in it. We're not doing it because somebody expects us to. And I haven't been able to identify that genuine play yet.